Disclaimer, this is a promotional video. It's a collab between GoldieBlox and Random House, so stay tuned.
Guys, I have a big announcement. Guys, I have been so excited for the past few months and it's finally here. I'm in a book presenting Everyday DIY. That doesn't make sense. Oh my gosh, it's here! It's even more beautiful than I ever imagined. I'd like to thank the Goldie Squad for everything you guys have done for me. I would not be here without you guys. Like, a lot of love. But seriously, I am so excited for the release of my first book, Everyday DIY. It's filled with over 20 of my best hacks and tons of other tips and tricks to get your engineer brain in gear. Click the link down below to get your copy today. Okay guys, I gotta go study for chemistry, but before I go, I'm gonna flash a screenshot of every single one of the DIYs that's featured in my book. Now, I want you guys to pause the video at any second and comment down below what hack you land on, because that hack is gonna be your spirit hack for the rest of 2019. So, good luck! Until next time, hackers, GoldieBlox signing off. Bonus hack, hit the subscribe button. That's it. So easy. And now you get super cool DIYs every Friday.